If you've got leftover rice, you can make a real dinner really fast. Rice, lentils, spinach, lime, and a little bit of tamari, under 10 minutes. I'm grabbing some leftover rice and spinach from the fridge. Use whatever lentils you've got, mine are canned. Now I'm adding the drained lentils to the pan and letting them warm up for a couple minutes. Lentils are one of my favorite ways to add protein and fiber without thinking about it, and this is also one of those cheap pantry dinners that just work. If they start to stick, just add a splash of water. Now I'm adding in some cooked rice, giving that a nice stir and let the rice warm up. You could also substitute cooked quinoa instead of rice if that's what you have on hand. Now I'm adding in a couple handfuls of fresh spinach. That'll wilt down and that'll cook pretty quickly. Just a little water to help everything come together. And give that a quick stir. I'm adding some tamari for flavor. You could also use soy sauce. I'm keeping it simple with some lime, salt, and pepper, but you could also add in some cumin, paprika, or garlic powder if you like. Give it one last stir and it's ready to go. Let me give it a taste. I forgot to put, I like a little bit of hot sauce. There we go. It's so good. It's so basic and simple, but it really delivers. It has protein rich, it's fiber rich, it's inexpensive, and it doesn't take that long to make, and it tastes really good too. If you want more simple dinners like this, the free guide is below.